Well, hello friends, Tula here from Areti Goddess Events, and today I want to share with you the key to turn any obstacle into inspiration. And you may have noticed that what I posted today was a graphic about focusing on solutions rather than problems, because the way that we're conditioned is that we always focus on problems and the past, etc. Whereas if we can switch that around so that we focus on solutions, that is your biggest key to inspiration and overcoming obstacles. Because as we focus on solutions, we actually become resourceful, and it opens us up to our source of inspiration. And therefore, by focusing on solutions, not problems, we actually create more and more and more solutions. So my challenge to you today, #ChooseToChallenge, is to focus on solutions, not problems, and just see the difference. And if you like this video, press like, or if you agree with it, you can comment or share. Thank you, and have an amazing day with amazing success.